Jai Hind everyone, my name is G. Varshini. I am studying third class at Raghu Sainik School. Today my topic is shapes park. Circle, 0 sides and 0 corners. This is square, 4 sides and 4 corners. This is cuboid, 6 faces and 12 corners. 12 corners. This is hexagon, six sides and 6 corners. This is triangle, 3 sides and 3 corners. This is prism, 4 sides and 4 corners. This is rectangle, 2 sides and 2 corners. This is cylinder, 2 sides and 4 corners. This is hemisphere. It has two side surface and one curved surface. Thank you.